If you are searching for the latest Coursera limited offer, this guide will show you exactly how to get the current Coursera Plus discount before it expires. You can find the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description and check if the promotion is still active in your country. Right now, eligible new subscribers can get Coursera Plus for $14.40 per month instead of the regular $24 monthly price for the first 3 months. This is one of the better Coursera deals available in 2026, especially for people planning to complete multiple courses or professional certificates. So here is how to get the offer step by step. First, open the Coursera Plus discount link in the description. Once the page loads, you should see the promotional pricing displayed directly on the official Coursera website. Next, click on the option to subscribe to Coursera Plus. After that, either sign into your existing Coursera account or create a new one if you are a first-time user. Continue to check out and enter your payment details. If you are eligible for the promotion, the discounted pricing should automatically apply before you complete your purchase. That is it. After subscribing, you get access to more than 10,000 courses, specializations, guided projects, and professional certificates from top companies and universities like Google, IBM, Duke University, and University of Michigan. This is why Coursera Plus is popular for learning AI, cybersecurity, project management, data analytics, Python, business, digital marketing, and other high-demand skills. Many learners also use programs like the Google Career Certificates to improve their resumes and build practical job-ready skills. Another major advantage is flexibility. You can start different courses anytime, switch learning paths whenever you want, and earn multiple certificates under one subscription without paying separately for every course. According to Coursera, many learners reported positive career outcomes after using the platform, including improved job opportunities and stronger workplace skills. Now here is the important thing to remember. This Coursera limited offer is time-sensitive. Based on the current promotion details, the discounted pricing is expected to end on May 31st, 2026. So, if you are already planning to upgrade your skills this year, especially in AI or technology, this may be one of the best opportunities to start at a lower price. Check the Coursera Plus discount link in the description to see the latest available offer before the promotion expires.